In today's climate of deplatforming, aka modern-day book burning and censorship, it's more important than ever to back up your videos to physical storage you personally control. In the following walkthrough, I will show you an example of how to download these videos so you can decide how to do it for yourself. If you do not already have an external storage device, it is not only worthwhile but vital that you obtain one or more with enough space to store all the videos you want to protect. Multiple videos require a great deal of storage, so make sure you have at least a terabyte or more of free space on your device to keep all your videos. You will need some software designed to download YouTube videos. There are many options available, and many are free. You must be careful to avoid scams and malware, and also to scan the install file for viruses before running it. Alternatively, some websites may handle downloads as a service without requiring you to install software. I am using Winx YouTube Downloader, which is available for free. If you are using a different program, check your instructions for equivalent features and follow along in a general fashion. This walkthrough will use Winx YouTube Downloader. To begin downloading your YouTube video, first click Add URL. Next, you need to get the URL of your video. Just navigate to the video in your web browser, select or highlight the entire URL from the address bar of the browser, and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, or right-clicking the mouse and choosing Copy from the context menu. Paste the URL into the input box in the downloader window and then click the Analyze button. This will start the process of locating the video and determining its size and other attributes. Please wait for this process to complete. When the analysis is finished, you will see the video listed. You can click the Download Full Playlist button or select the video and click the Download Selected Videos button. This action only queues the videos for download but does not start the actual download. Before you start the actual download, make sure that you know where you are saving the files. Go to the settings screen by clicking on the settings icon with the picture of the gears. On this screen, you can select an output folder. Make sure you select a location that has a lot of empty disk space, such as the external drive discussed earlier. In addition, an external drive can help keep your files safe from power surges and hackers when you have it unplugged. Okay, you're almost done. The video or videos have been added to the download queue, but to actually start the downloads you have to click the big download button that appears at the end. After that, you can go take a break and do something else for a while. So the steps are: 1. Get a storage device with lots of space. 2. Find software to download videos but avoid scams and malware. 3. Follow the program's process to download a video. 4. Save that video to your storage device. Some notes. Now that you downloaded a video, look for it on your storage device to verify. Then test it by opening the file using a video viewer like VLC Media Player. Most software lets you pick an output format. MP4 is usually good. If you want to upload the video to another site, make sure you use a compatible format. Good luck, and keep your videos safe.